Well done, guys. We have done two web pages so far. The first one is the resume and the second one is the profile. And there is nothing more to add to this code, but in fact, our code is mixed. We have HTML and CSS all together, and there is a better way to use it. So far, we already know that CSS can be inline. So within the HTML tag, there will be the style attribute, including the CSS code. As well as we learned that it can be internal, and internal we are going to have the style tag inside the head and all the code will be there. So to organize our work, we are going to move all this code from inline to be internal, and then we will use it here. To do so, let us start one by one. So first we are going to have this style for this container, and before we take this style up here, we have to reference to it. So if we reference to it as div tag, then this style will be for this one, and this one, and we don't want that to happen. So to make sure that it will be specified for only this tag we are going to give it a class name, and that class name is gonna be a container, or let's say image container. We take the code and then here we will say image container, and then open the angle brackets and place the style inside it. After we edit all our code, we run the web page, it shall be the same as before. Nothing new, nothing changed. We just trying to organize our code. So we come here and delete all of this because we already have it there. And we'll do the same for this div tag. So image content, let's say, and here we are going to have dot image content, open the curly brace and then include the code. Doing so is going to help us to edit our code easier in the future, or update or add another code or another style. And then we need a style for the image, so we'll take this one and class image style, for example, and here will be image style, and place the code. Alright, nice. This one nice so far. Do we have any other things? Yeah, we have for H2 as well as H3. So Control X. Okay, because we have only one H2 and one H3, so I'm gonna call the H2 tag directly without making any class. So if we are going to refer to the tag itself, we just have the tag name. Same thing for H3, but mind that if you have more than H2 or more than H3 and you want to style it different, then you may use the class or you may use the ID. So there are different ways to refer to one tag or one content. Okay, so let's save this one and make sure that our web page is still the same. Here is our web page. If we refresh, it's still the same, and that's great.